Hello everyone. Today is July 24th, 2024. Wednesday, welcome to my channel. Trump Media and Technology Stock. We can see from the daily chart of the stock that the stock is currently in a downward trend, and its trading volume continues to shrink, indicating that no big capital has entered the market and pushed the stock price to rebound. So will the stock price continue to fall or rebound? Where is the target price? Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. On July 15th, the stock surged to $46.20 in the morning and then fell sharply. The stock price rebounded a little in the afternoon, but the stock price fell again at the end of the day. The trading volume of the day surged. There is no doubt that big capital took the opportunity to cash out at a high level and left the market, which made the subsequent rebound of the stock price extremely difficult. From July 16th to 23rd, the stock price continued to fall. We can see that the shorts always dominate the market price, and the bulls have almost no power to fight back. On July 23rd, the stock price fell 5% at the close, but the trading volume on that day was very small, indicating that no big capital has entered the market to take over the chips. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. On Tuesday, the volume of the stock further slumped, indicating that the market trading on that day was still inactive. The lack of necessary funds for the rebound may cause the stock to continue to fall. So where is the target price? I currently see $25.50, which is the lowest price of the stock in June, so it may provide a strong support for the stock, but the stock price may not reach here this week. Virgin Galactic stock. We can see from the daily chart of the stock that on Monday the stock rebounded strongly by nearly 9%, which seemed to end its downward trend, and the trading volume on that day was significantly enlarged, indicating that the trading on that day was very active, but the stock price fell the next day. Is this rebound of the stock over? Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. On July 17th, the stock price rose rapidly to $8.30 in the morning trading and then began to fall. The stock price plummeted all the way, and the trading volume was significantly enlarged. There is no doubt that big capital withdrew from the market at this position. On July 18th, the stock price continued the downward trend of the previous trading day, and big capital flowed out crazily again. On July 19th, the market situation improved again. The stock price fell to $6.22 in the morning and then began to rebound. However, the strange thing was that the trading volume on that day was very small. However, the trading volume increased a lot the next day. We can see that there were large trading volumes in both the morning and afternoon trading of that day. This should be a signal that big capital entered the market to take over the chips. However, the stock price fell back a little the next day, but it only fell by 2.5%, which does not seem to be large. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. We see that the trading volume of the stock has increased significantly in July. Looking at it again, the stock price does not seem to have fallen too much. The strong rebound of the stock on Monday seems to be the starting point of a small bull market, so I am currently bullish on the stock. I think the stock is accumulating strength to rise. Once the time is right, the market may strongly push the stock price up. My target price is $10.50. Looking at the stock price trend in June, it seems that this price will become its key resistance position. Cassava Sciences stock. We can see from the daily chart of the stock that on Monday, the stock rose strongly by 27%, completely reversing its downward trend, but the stock price also reached the key resistance position, which also caused the stock price to fall slightly by 6% the next day. So is this rebound of the stock over? Or will it break through the resistance and continue to rise? Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart of the stock. We can see that $8.79 is the recent key support position of the stock. In the morning trading of July 17th, the stock price fell deeply to this position and then began to rebound, and a large trading volume was generated, indicating that the market does not want the stock price to fall further, and that large capital has entered the market, which is a positive bullish signal. On July 22nd, the market strongly pushed the stock price up in the morning trading, and the stock price fell back a little in the afternoon trading, but the stock price rose again in the late trading. The trading volume of the day was enlarged again, indicating that the market hopes to pull the stock price to a higher level. The stock price fell the next day, but the decline was not large, and the trading volume of the day was not large. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. In the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a surge in volume on 2 trading days, indicating that big capital has entered the market and pushed the stock price back up. Although the stock fell on Tuesday, technically, the stock is still in an upward trend. I don't think the stock will enter a downward trend again with the current price as the starting point. I think it will break through resistance and continue to rise. The target price I see is $18.70, which means that the stock has a lot of potential profit space for the current level of the stock. Okay, guys, these are my price predictions for these 3 stocks. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my point of view, please subscribe to my channel, or if you have different ideas, please leave a message to discuss. I will continue to focus on these 3 stocks and bring the latest price predictions. See you in the next video.